Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your normal photo into a nighttime flash photo using AI with 100% free. First, just open ChatGPT. Yeah, in here we will use ChatGPT, and after that, just tap on create an image, or you can also tap on more and then just choose images. And then in here, just tap, and then in here, I want to click on create an image like this, and then after that just choose this styles nighttime flash. Just choose these styles, and then ChatGPT will automatically generate a prompt for you like this. And if you want to tweak this prompt, just tweak this prompt as you like. And then after that, just upload your photo on here. For example, I want to choose this one, and then after your photo already upload successfully, and then just click on send prompt like this, and then with the process. And okay, like this you'll get the incredible results like this. I think the result, it looks so good, it's so aesthetic, and it's really like a nighttime flash like this. And okay, maybe that's it. You can just try it yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.